My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on applied data science with Python. This is lecture number 123. In this lecture, we will try to understand one simple problem on exponential probability distribution. First, we will try to understand the problem. What is the problem? Laptops produced by company XYZ last on an average for 5 years. Means here in question average is given. What is my average? Average is mu. I can write it as mu equal to average equal to 5 years. That is one parameter. The lifespan of each laptop will fall. The lifespan of each laptop follows an exponential distribution. In question itself, he is saying exponential distribution. Yes, given distribution is exponential distribution. Calculate rate parameter. First, you must calculate rate parameter. What is my rate parameter? It is reciprocal of average. This rate parameter is lambda, which is 1 by mu. What is my mu value? 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means what? 0.2 years power minus 1. This is my rate parameter. We solved first question. What about my second question? Write probability density function and graph it. What is my PDF? PDF, it is continuous distribution, isn't it? PDF, that is probability density function, which is equal to f of x equal to 1 by mu into e power minus x by mu. This can be written as lambda. 1 by mu means what? Lambda into e power minus lambda x. What is my lambda here? 0.2 into e power minus lambda. What is my lambda? 0.2 into x. Therefore, this is known as, I can say, this is PDF. Which one is PDF? Which one is probability density function? My probability density function is 0. Into e power minus 0.2x. But he is asking us to graph it. It is simple. How can I plot a graph? This is general graph of our exponential distribution. Let me write my PDF. F of x equal to 0.2 into e power minus 0.2x. Now let me say if I substitute x equal 0, if x equal to 0, then f of x means f of 0 equal to 0.2 into e power minus 0.2 into 0. That is 0.2, isn't it? Means your exponential distribution is meeting your y-axis at 0.2, isn't it? I can say if x equals 0, then y equals 0.2. This is x comma y. This is intersecting point. This is the graph, isn't it? This is the graph of your PDF, your probability density function. It's meeting y-axis at 0.2. That's what he is asking, isn't it? You can graph it like this. Now, anyway, what about third question? My C question. What is he saying? What is the probability that the laptop will last less than 3 years? Isn't it? What's your question? Less than 3 years means how can I calculate? It is simple. Less than 3 years means, let me plot like this. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Less than 3 years means what? This one is less than 3 years. This area. Anyway, your x starts at 0. Therefore, this area. this entire area gives probability less than 3 years, isn't it? Therefore, I can say we already discussed cumulative distribution function of your this particular distribution, exponential distribution is p capital X less than or equal to x is 1 minus e power minus lambda x. What I need? P capital less than 3 years means p capital X less than 3. Therefore, what is my formula? What is my lambda value? I already calculated. Lambda is 0.2. Therefore, 1 minus e power minus lambda means 0.2 into x means what? 3. Therefore, what can I write? 1 minus e power minus 0.6, isn't it? If you calculate, what will you get? You will get 0.4512. This is my probability. Probability for less than 3. I can say 45.12% chances that the laptop will last less than 3 years. Otherwise, the probability of that laptop last less than 3 years is 0.4512. This is my, I think it's C question, isn't it? That's what it says, C. Let me erase otherwise. Yes. What about D question? What it says, just see. What is the probability that laptop will last more than 10 years? More than 10 years means what? P of x greater than 10. Isn't it? P of x greater than 10. We know what is the formula for P of x greater than x? That is e power minus lambda x. E power minus lambda x, isn't it? Now, what I need? P of x greater than 10 means my x value is 10. E power minus lambda we already calculated. What is my lambda? 0.20. E power minus lambda means 0.20 into x means 10. Therefore, what will I get? I will get e power minus 2. That is 0.1353. This is my probability. Means I can say there is, I can say like this, there is 13.53 percentage chance, 13.53 percentage chance that laptop will last more than 10 years. Laptop will last more than 10 years. More than 10 years. That's what it says. Isn't it? That's what it says. 10 years. That is a laptop issued by XYZ company. This is about our D question. Now we will try to understand E question. What is the probability that laptop will last between 4 and 7 years? This is between 4 and 7 years. Means I need probability in between 4 and 7 years. Therefore, how can I calculate this probability? Just say this one. Yes, I need probability in between P is x4 less than x less than 7, isn't it? How can I calculate this one? P of x less than 7 minus P of x less than 4. First, what is P of x less than 7? Let me say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This entire portion is less than 7, isn't it? What about x less than 4? Less than 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than 4 means this portion is less than 4, isn't it? Now you have to subtract. If you subtract less than 4 from less than 7, this portion will not be there. This will be removed, isn't it? Let me write like this. Yes. Which portion will be removed? This less than 4 less than 4 portion means this portion will be removed, isn't it? You left with, let me say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Between 4 to 7, you will get this portion, you will get this portion. In this, from entire 1 to 7, I am removing 1 to 4. I will get 4 to 7. That's what it says. I will get 4 to 7. That's what I need, isn't it? P of 4 less than x less than 7. This will be equal to, just see, yes, P of x less than 7. What is my P of x less than 7? How can I write? Cumulative distribution I already discussed. 1 minus e power minus 0.2 into 7. Isn't it? This. What about P of x less than 4? P of x less than 4 is 1 minus e power minus 0.2 into 4, isn't it? 0.2 into 4, which is equal to, what will you get? That first part 0.75340, and what will you get in second half? 0.55067, isn't it? Now what will I get if I remove this one? You will get 0.20273, isn't it? This is the probability, isn't it? Now what can I say? This is, I can say this is 20.27% chances are there. I can say this 20.27 is approximately equal to 20.3%, isn't it? 20.3% chances that laptop issued by company XYZ will last between 4 and 7 years. Between 4 and 7 years. That's what it says, isn't it? Just this problem is simple. Just go through this problem. If you have any difficulty, keep a comment so that we will try to understand. Thank you very much.